Hi, my name is Kemaro, and I am an engineer. The community of Windsor, Silo, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, the place that raised me, has been devastated by Hurricane Melissa. I just got off a call with my brother who's underground, and there is no power, not much clean water, and no real reliable way of calling for help. The elders and the children, they're the ones who are most at risk. And my heart is broken. They're the ones who cannot fight their way to the front of a relief aid line. But my engineer's mind is focused on a plan. You can read this 3-phase plan below. You'll see a transparent budget, and you'll see where every dollar goes. From 100 water filters in phase 1 to a roofing brigade in phase 2. We are not just asking you for a donation. We're asking you to become a partner with us in this transparent operation to rebuild a community. Thank you for your trust.